This was more than a year ago. Super excited namin to see you, Lily. That we booked the Disney cruise way before you were born. Buti nakasama ka. Hello! Good morning! Mr. Day!
Hi Lily, it's Mama. It's my turn. Look at Papa, oh. He's more excited than you. Tulog ka ng tulog. Siguro in a few years, mas matangkad ka na sa akin. Training tayo, oh. Ako pumili niyan. We were so excited. First time rin namin kasi sa cruise ship, eh. And we got to spend it with you. So, okay. Si Papa puro goofy. Pero ang laki nakasulat Pluto. Lagi ako excited pag nagta-travel tayo. Sana palagi. Mama loves Indian food, pero ikaw, gatas ka muna. Basta Lily, pag sad ka, balikan mo lang tong video para maalala mo yung mga happy moments natin
maalala
dati.
daw.
Oo nga no. May nursery nga sana sa cruise, pero di ka namin kayang iwan. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng mga doors nila. Next time, paglaki mo, gawa din tayo.
Laugh break.
Nag-ikot-ikot tayo sa upper deck. Ang ganda dito. Mama mo nag-rides. Ako lang nag-enjoy. Ikaw tulog. Tagal ng afternoon nap mo. Bored na si Papa. Soon makaka-dance ka na din with the other kids.
Thank you pala kay Auntie Tiffany for the stickers.
More quality time with our little family. Mamimiss ko tong ang liit mo lang. Ang bilis mo kasi lumaki eh. It was our first dinner sa cruise. Sa Animator's Palette tayo. Tapos, you made a new friend. Tapos nag-drawing ka lang. Palagi mo hinuhulog yung crayons mo. Tapos pag pinulot ko naman, hulogin mo ulit. You're so kulit. You really love your veggies. Pero wala kang choice. Yan yung in-order namin para sa'yo, para healthy ka. Then we watch some shows, listen to music. Thank you for bringing joy to our family. Lagi mo kaming pinapahappy ni Papa. Time for day 2. Lily, wake up na. Sayang ng time. Let's go. Lagi kang good mood pag gising mo. Lagi kang nag-hello sa mga tao. Ang friendly mo talaga. Opposite ko. Grabe, ang daming tao kahit sobrang init. Mamaya, swim tayo ah. Higit mo dito. But first, pizza time. Gutom na naman si Papa eh. Once we start talking, excited na ako anong mga topics ang pag-uusapan natin. Palamig muna tayo dito. Pawis na pawis ka na kasi. Sanay ka sa malamig. Mana ka sa akin, you really like stuffed toys. Lagi mo hinahag pag may gusto ka. For a baby, hindi ka mahirap alagaan kasi very patient ka, very kind, tas lagi kang tumatawa lang. And you're so cute. Nag-origami tayo pero syempre pinunit-punit mo lang yung paper tapos nilagay mo sa bibig mo. Poop time! Hinabol natin si Minnie Mouse. Time for some boba. Favorite ka ni Mama. Hindi ko alam, nagsismile ka na pala dito. Focused kasi kami sa food. Swimming time! Ang cute mo dito sa glasses. Sana paglaki mo maging close tayo. Besties tayo, ah. We're always gonna be your life jackets, your lifesavers. We watched Coco habang nagdi-drink ka ng milk. Tapos mamaya, knockout ka na naman. Rapunzel with hair versus Rapunzel with no hair.
Pasahero yun ba? My turn naman daw, sabi ni Mama, kasi naubusan na siya ng words eh. Sana lagi lang tayong ganito. Pero syempre, change is constant. So, eventually, you're gonna grow up. You're gonna have a family. You're gonna have kids of your own. And we're just gonna be here by your side. Whatever princess you choose to be, you're still gonna be our very own princess. Princess na may signature dance moves like this one. Si Mama, unhealthy food. Ikaw, gulay lang. You have desserts, pero syempre, si Papa lang kakain yan. Our servers, Andrew and Debbie, were really fond of you. We watched some fireworks that night. And mukha namang nag-enjoy ka. I have no doubt in my mind na in the future, you will shine bright. The world is yours, mahal. And alam kong kayang-kaya mo lahat. You'll know where to look for help.
Hi, Lily. Still sleepy?
Last Tuesday na pala. Puro tayo meet and greets today actually. So we waited and we bonded. And you made some new friends. Finally, you got to meet the OG, Mickey Mouse. Mas excited pa si Mama. Gusto ko yung nahiya ka after na encounter. Kay Goofy naman, naiyak ka. Maybe it's because pinalakad kita. Nahiya ka siguro sa kanya since di pa perfect walk mo. You also saw Baymax and tumambay din tayo sa San Francisco. Next were the princesses. Sa kanilang tatlo, Snow White, Jasmine, and Ariel. Si Ariel lang actually nagustuhan mo eh. I don't know. Baka kasi mermaid ka. Ganda ng smile, oh.
She is the light of all brother Philippines.
Ito talaga yung highlight of the day eh. Yung Jack sa diaper dash. Pabilisan mag-crawl. Yung mga kalaban mo umiiyak or nade-disqualify kasi tumatayo. Ikaw go lang. But you stop sometimes para magpa-cute. So I had to play Ants Go Marching sa YouTube. And ang hilig mo talaga magpabitin, magpa-suspense. It was like you were playing with the crowd. Tingnan mo oh. Then finally, you qualified na for the finals. Ito close-up replay, Mala Sports Center. Sa finals, all Filipino. Competitive talaga Pinoy. Pero ni-speedrun mo lang eh, with matching pabitin. And then, we won. Nakaka-proud. The first of many wins, mahal. May mga nagpa-picture pa.
Let's congratulate the champion! We got Lily!
We're always gonna be your biggest fans. Sobrang angas mo dito, mahal. That deserves a slow-mo replay. Easy, basic. Nagutom si Papa, kaka-cheer sa'yo. Then we watched Hoppers kasi ang init sa labas and you were pooping. Don't worry, we're here. Due to popular demand, binili na rin natin si Hailey. But you look unimpressed. Mahina si Papa sa roller coaster, so huwag mo ako pilitin paglaki mo, please. It was our last dinner sa cruise. And honestly, ako ang pinaka nag-enjoy talaga sa Disney Cruise. Mamimiss ko to. Yung ganyan ka lang kaliit. Binabuhat-buhat ka lang ni Papa and Mama. Makalat ka pa kumain and nasa starstruck ka pa sa Disney characters. Dahan-dahan na sa kain, baka lumaki ka agad. Di pa ready si Mama and Papa.
Pressure here? There we go! Look at the smile there! Okay, everybody for Lily, nice and loud on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lily. Happy birthday to you.
You will always be our little baby, our little Lily, my beautiful daughter. Kaya huwag ka magmadali, wag muna. Okay? On the way back to the room, we passed by a silent disco. Weird, diba? Pero it's just like life. You play your own kind of music, you dance to your own tune. I hope that through tough times, by watching this video, you get reminded how much you are loved. And if everything's too heavy, sandal ka lang.